Hi, it's Jerry from Performance Ford in Windsor. Today we're going to be talking about parts. Today we're going to talk about why OEM parts are better than aftermarket parts. We know that regular maintenance is important to your vehicle's health. Many people will often do things on their own or by someone they trust. Usually the cost is simply the cost of the parts. But what is the best option? There are two options: original equipment manufacturer, OEM parts, or aftermarket parts. OEM parts are those made by the dealer. For example, the parts here at Performance Ford in Lincoln. Our parts come directly from those manufacturers. Those items are made for their vehicles up to their specifications. Aftermarket parts, estimated to be 80% of those independent garages or stores, are made from other manufacturers. Think of it as the difference between buying a gas station set of headphones for your phone or original equipment manufactured headphones. The ones in the gas stations are not going to work as well. The aftermarket parts are cheaper. The quality control is not the same level. Also, these parts are made to fit several different vehicles. On the other hand, OEM parts are made specifically for a vehicle. This way you know the parts are sized, tested, and proven to work for your vehicle. In our opinion, it is always better to come to Performance Ford Lincoln to find your parts, whether you place them on yourself or buy them and have us put them on. You're getting the best part for your vehicle. Thank you for watching.